Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows Windows 10 caps lock it not working or stuck. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first option is type a notepad and open a notepad. After doing this, type a on screen keyboard. Open a on screen keyboard. Okay guys, the second method is that in the search box type advanced keyboard settings. Open a advanced keyboard settings. Click on language bar options. Go to your advanced key settings. Select press the shift key. Select apply and OK button. After that, close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.